you coming out? Ella.
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits.
What are you doing?
It's not that serious.
I said, do you wanna fight me?
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it. Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Aquí, voy a meter una y su comida. Aquí.
Hey, producer. Check out the frosting. Oh, buddy.
Wait.
Jump! Come on! Whoa!
You got some right here.
Panda beta.
You are a fox. Phony.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Ripley.
Abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure this.
Oh.
Two.
Yan yung kiss sa buti. Right.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Lulu.
Okay, but he's more than okay. He won.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Yeah.
Hello?
Where did he go?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
See? It's alright. It's all good.
This is my meat.
Excuse me?
This one's mean as fuck. Come here. Oh, he's gonna make it.
Кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
졸로 외간.
Shiva.
Say cheese butt. Está pasando de mucho.
Got him! Fucking jackpot!
And I are gonna get dressed.
I need my jacket.
Meow. It's the second I get it.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
I love you.
Thank you.
You're adopted.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
I love you.
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
Stop. Somebody come get her. She
Chippy chippy chapa chapa doobie doobie dabba dabba.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
catnip.
Meowing.
Any illegal contraband? Let me see.
Oh my god! Oh!
Where's the catnip?
Ay, ito na siya! Mamalapit.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
I just think she's scared.
There, Finkel. Up.
You're not very nice.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't